Hello, welcome to STEAM Club, and I'm Krista, and I'm here to bring you our project, which is walking rainbows. First, we need to see if we have everything that we're going to be using. You're going to need 7 cups, roughly this size, could be a little bigger. Red, blue, and yellow dye, food coloring. And you're going to need 7 pieces of paper towel. So my cups are rather small, so I cut my pieces of towel in half, but it depends on the size of cups you have. And then I have a spoon for mixing, and I have some water. So first what we're going to do is we're gonna fill our cups more than halfway full. Not all the way full, but a little more than halfway. You need to have enough water to make this work. Then you're going to take your red dye, food coloring, and you put a couple drops in the very first one and a couple drops in the last one. You're going to leave the next one clear, and you're going to put in a couple drops of blue, and a couple drops of yellow in the next. Now you need to stir it. You might need a little more food coloring depending on how much water you have in your cups. Then you take your paper towels and fold them in half once. And twice. And you do that with each one. You'll have 6 of those. Now, something you'll notice about the paper towels is if you look very carefully, there's teeny tiny little fibers, and in between every little fiber there's a hole. And when you make a bridge from one to the next, the water is going to start moving up the towel, and this is called capillary action. The water goes right up against gravity because the pressure on the water molecules is much less than the pressure going up the towel, and it's called capillary action as it goes across. And some magic's going to happen, but we have to wait about 2 hours for this full process to go to work. You'll notice something, that not only do we have rainbows, but look at what happened to our clear glasses. This one was clear with no color. This one was clear. This one was clear. It's made a rainbow of water too. And that's because what happened when it came up with the red and the yellow, it turned into orange. And blue and yellow came in and made green. And red and blue came in and made purple. So if you're not getting quite the right color, or it's not moving as well for you, You may want to add in more food coloring to each of the ones that the blue, the red, and the yellow to make the colors more intense and they can move more. And give it some more time. You get the best results after 24 hours. So if you could let it sit for a little longer, it might work too. Thanks for watching. See you next time.